I've got to show you something. So this happens pretty often. We've got creator Dean here in his candle making jacket. Dean spends time to mix scents and he puts them in one of these and then he brings them into the office for me to snuff. This is a new candle that's coming out and I'm not kidding. Give me another.
Not nice.
That is so good. Hey, welcome to another week of doing life with me, Amanda. Tonight, I've decided that I'm cooking dinner because I was telling Dean that I'd like to try and cook at least once or twice a week, just to kind of change up the menu every now and then. And also, I cook differently than Dean. The portion sizes are different, you know, just something different to the mix. So tonight, I'm cooking Italian sausage and peppers with rice, and it's gonna be delicious. Yeah, just something different, you know what I mean? Just got a delivery in the mail. I ordered a swimsuit for Esme, and a bunch of you told me that Cupshe is actually a really good site for swimsuits. Sometimes I question these things because when they're not expensive, I'm like, are they good? But so many good reviews. One thing is for sure, that Esme did stipulate that she wanted to have more choice over the design and the look of her swimsuit, and she didn't want it to be like a little kid swimsuit. She's getting older. She can make choices about her body. And so we decided on this one. I picked it off of Amazon actually, because I was concerned like if something didn't fit, I could easily return it through Amazon, which is convenient. But let's see. I'm going to package it back up and give it to her, but I just want to take a look first. So I hope it fits. I think it will. So it's an orange leopard print. This is a size small, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is a small. It has, you know, the little support on the inside, and the straps, they are adjustable. So we're gonna see how this fits her. I'm not gonna put her on camera in it, but I will let you know if it fits. That's a really cute suit. I didn't order myself one from here yet. I kind of wanted to see how she made out with hers, but boy, they had some really cute styles. So I might have to investigate their website. So far, so good. I've got to show you something. So this happens pretty often. We've got creator Dean here in his candle making jacket. Dean spends time to mix scents and he puts them in one of these and then he brings them into the office for me to snuff. This is a new candle that's coming out and I'm not kidding. Give me another.
Not nice.
That is so good that I would wear it as a perfume. I'm not even kidding. Damn, that's like my favorite one.
Patchouli and clary sage.
Do I ever tell you that it's good enough on the first sniff? No. I always have, no, it's too much of this.
Very nice.
It's too much of that. One more. I think you need to make me one of those candles and I can have it in my office.
Oh, you just can't use this.
Look who's back. Ooh, making dinner. What? Twice in 1 week? What's going on? Making it happen. I don't entirely want to show you my outfit because there's a whole sock situation that I'm not proud of. Not proud of. But damn it, my limbs get cold. All right, well, I'm making dinner. So simple. I'm making pierogies with some roasted broccoli. We're gonna eat some baby trees for dinner and it's my favorite. Yeah, that's what's happening. I took a day to just answer emails peacefully, calmly. The children played outside. There were even swimsuits. It's like 10 degrees. Swimsuit season? Not exactly. Anyway, let's make some dinner. Here's the before.
Why am I smiling?
We're gonna section off some pieces right here. Just kind of a thinner money piece, not too thick.
Yeah, because you see people that do like that.
Quite thick, yeah. No, we just want like the thin pieces.
I think we're just gonna probably
turn your head a little bit to the door.
That.
And you can see that it's it still has that red tone.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit faded, so.
Yeah, especially at the roots.
Yeah, and your hair does take to bleach. This is bleach from before that's just kind of toned a weird color right now.
Because it was bleached, and then it was and then it faded to an orange, and then you put purple dye, and then it fades.
It pulls the blue and the green, and
then it just ends up like this, like midnight thing, twilight thing. I don't know.
scared. Okay, here we go.
Why are you scared? I'm not even scared. But you're making me scared, so shush.
So how do you like it?
I love it so much. I'm looking in the mirror behind, but I really like it.
So let's see. The dark color came through
And then
nice and rich. The money piece came through lovely.
Yeah.
I was saying to Esme if she wanted it a bit brighter.
I actually kind of like it darker, but that's just me.
Yeah, because we could always do it next weekend, like do it one more time.
Yeah.
Brighten and then put the toner. But I think it worked out pretty good.
Yeah, I think I really like it. Now I gotta go and show my dad.
I just got my swimsuit in the mail. Let's try it on, shall we? This is the swimsuit that I plan to wear when I'm in the pool, playing outside and spending like full days in the sun. I can't deny the fact that I literally just had skin cancer removed from my body like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. 2 months ago. So I decided to splurge, and my mom had sent me a birthday present, so I took the birthday money and I added in my own, and I got myself a swimsuit from J. Crew. It's very well reviewed. Let's see if it fits, because it's scary ordering swimsuits online. Well, I look damn good, but I probably should have bought a bikini top to go with it, or maybe the black one, because it's a little bit of a show. Which I might just embrace. I mean, my editor might have to edit out the nips, but like, I look good. Here's the bottoms, has nice coverage. Nice coverage on the tush. I went with a large, I'm pretty sure. Oh, no, I went with a medium. Oh, I thought I went with a large. They fit really nice. Good coverage. The top is, yes, I might require a bikini top. I did not think about it. I probably could have gotten away with a medium, a medium, but I didn't want it to be super skin tight, but I'm very happy with it. I think it looks fun and cute, and you know what, when I'm playing with my kids, who cares? If I'm in my own backyard, they've been there. Who cares? It's just some boobs. I feel nice, kind of fun. I was just asking my daughter, who look at her wearing her sunscreen that hasn't quite melted into her face, about whether or not it was inappropriate for my swimsuit top, and you said,
let those nips free.
Parenting done right. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna embrace it. I look damn good, and it's just a boob. I'm on my way to Toronto. Gonna go see my dad. He's going through some stuff, and I just gotta be there for him, you know? So I'm heading out. He's got a whole dinner planned for us. It's 2:44. I'll get there with plenty of time before dinner, and I do have to make a drop off at my aunt's house, so I'm hoping to say hi to her with like a safe outdoor visit, because it's been a freaking long time. So there we go. I'm off. I'm over at Dad's tonight. We're having some popsicles and we're playing a little Mexican dominoes, and Dad beat me.
Finally. Notice how I beat you in my house.
I know.
But your house, I don't win.
I came in strong with the cocky vibes, saying I was gonna kick his butt, but this game turns quick. I thought I had it in the palm of my hand.
It does.
This is what it looks like. It took us a minute to figure out how to play. We looked at a YouTube video, we got it, it makes sense, and I can only imagine this would be really fun with a big group of people, so we're having fun.
You're good, you're good.
Friday. I've just finished editing the podcast. I'm putting it out right now. If you missed it, we talk about this book. So my guest today is the author of this book, Eve Turow-Paul, and she talks about, you know, avocado toast, influencers, and our search for connection and meaning online. Hold on here, this on in my tooth. I just finished lunch. It was a really great conversation about, in the way I kind of summarized it for our chat, is like this whole Instagram versus reality. You know, are you affected by what you see online with food? Are you influenced? Are you unaffected? Like, how does this kind of land for you? And then Dean and I talk about our experiences, and there's a little bit of a difference there because of our age difference. Like, he comes from a time where like he didn't have Instagram at 12 and looking at food online and how it's presented. How does that impact you as you get older? So it was really interesting. Anyway, I'll link it below. The podcast has had a name change. It's called Friendo, and this is episode 14. Anyway, so I've already hit the go button there. I have to do one little thing, and then I'm gonna go outside and play. And by play, I mean mow the lawn. But I enjoy it, so I'm gonna go do that and enjoy a little bit of sunshine. Good morning, welcome to Saturday. I have got my Friendo hat on, which is like my hat to get stuff done. I've got my, semi-workout clothes, my running shoes, and I have to tackle the laundry, I have to tackle the bathrooms, and that's my goal for today. That's it. It's still a lot. It's a beautiful day, so I also am hoping to take my bike out for a spin, just me. The kids are being like, I don't want to go for a bike ride, and honestly, I just want to enjoy the bike ride, so I think I'm just gonna go by myself. I've had a few work things due over the last 12 days or something. So I just feel a little behind when it comes to the house tidy, and that always makes me feel really I wish I could be better about that. But when my space is untidy, I'm just not that nice. So let's do it. Toilet's cleaned, sink is clean, everything's looking lovely. Shower is lovely and sparkly. And I only have to do the main floor bathroom because the basement bathroom is a little dusty with having the renovation. The workout room is right next door to it, so there's drywall dust and stuff around there. So I just cleaned the toilet. The sink is still clean, and I will do a big bathroom cleanup once the reno is done. My children were fighting. I don't know what I said to you right there, but I've wiped down countertops and done the deep clean in the main bathroom here. Main floor is just a toilet and a sink, and also I'll do that and then mop the floors, and then I'm just gonna tidy up the main floor, and then I'm done. Did you get a little bit of marker on you? That's okay, baby, it washes. No problem. So yeah. It's Sunday and I am off on a bike ride. Esme is having a friend come over this afternoon, and I did I'd say 50% of the laundry. The hardest part is done. I cleaned the bathrooms. My God, that was an undertaking. But my whole house smells lovely. I even mopped floors and stuff. Who am I? Last night was fun. Esme and I watched the Billie Eilish documentary. We finished it. It's so good. It's on Apple TV. Highly recommend, especially if you have a tween. It was just really good. Anyway, well, Dean has his vaccine appointment in 1.5 hours. So I'm gonna head out for a bike ride, and I gotta be back in 1 hour. So then we're just gonna cycle as fast as possible and then be back in 1 hour. Let's go. We did it. Greetings from Sunday night. Here's where we're at. I'm bored. So I'm gonna trim some bangs. Courtney, you might be pissed at me, but you know what? Courtney is my hairstylist. I'm so bored. And this is a look. And also I think I look cute in bangs, so I'm gonna freshen these up. These were cut 6 weeks ago. I gotta move this one over to the side. Yeah, 6 weeks ago, so I'm due for a trim. So I'm gonna do a little trim, and then I'm gonna do a little sunless tanner. I'm gonna do some self-care. This was the Liquid Gold self-tanning foam. I also have the mitt. I bought this for myself the other day. Been meaning to do it all week, never made time for it. So I'm gonna have a beautiful shower and just kind of take care of myself a little bit, right? So let's go. Here's the before, and fingers crossed I don't have to wear a hat for the next 6 weeks. I mean, it's nothing terrible. We'll see after I wash my hair how it turns out once it's not so pin straight, but ooh, we'll see. We'll see how she looks. Did it.
Why do you do random things without telling anyone? I wish I could do that, except...
You do! Look at your hair! So here is the length.
Looks good.
I kept them long because I do a little part like this, and that way when I pull my hair up and do a pony, oh, so cute.
She looks like she goes and gets Starbucks every day and goes for a run to get it.
You guys, I'm feeling really good. Vaccinations, sunless tanner, and then we can get back to living, and I am ready for living. All right, friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Bye. See you later. Bye.
Bye.